Hey everybody, this is your favorite friendly neighborhood tech troublemaker, and I am just testing out my new setup here. Moved everything around. I'm probably going to add a second camera to the mix as well, but I have rearranged the world. What was left is right. What was right is left, and I have a new background and new storage, which is a big thing because boy howdy, I have a plethora of cables. Plethora is a fun word. I like the word plethora. So I am testing out here. I finally got the Streamer X to work. I don't know what I did to make it suddenly just magically start working, but it did after I plugged everything back up, even though I didn't reinstall any software whatsoever. I just plugged it in and magic happened. Let's see, make sure buttons work. Yep. Hello, this is my alien robot voice, I guess. Anyway,
How about this one? This is my baby voice. Okay.
so I'm not thrilled that those buttons work. I'm sorry, but I was just trying to figure out what my new setup should look like, and I'm moving stuff around and figuring out what knickknacks I want to put on my shelves behind me. And also, I am going to get some lighting to go on each one of the shelves. I think that'd be really good. Something kind of makes it pop behind me. So that's my goal, is to get some lighting to make things pop behind me. And so, yeah, but I'm on the verge of my new setup right here, and so I wanted to make sure everything was still working. It is good. So that's what happens when you unplug everything. I reformatted my Mac. Matt Haas in the house. Hello, also wood things. So I reformatted my Mac because I was having an issue with the Streamer X. It very much was acting like a driver issue. And since the Streamer X is such a big part of my production, I was going insane, which was a short trip, mind you, but that's beside the point. And then I unplugged everything, rearranged my desk, rearranged my monitors, had the adventure with a VGA cable because I want my middle monitor to work for both creative and yeah, Matt, I'll be glad to do it. We'll have to figure out how to do it remotely, but yeah. Or you can FedEx it to me and I'll reformat and do it over. You do want I back up everything to the cloud. I also do time machine backups as well, but I can get a Mac back up and running quick. It's really amazing how fast it went for me. So I started making video about it, and then halfway through I got so distracted trying to get everything to work that I just said, yep, okay, fine. So Sammy, how you doing, sir? Welcome. So I gotta work out what I'm doing next. So I've got some more planning to do. I'm gonna put lights on each one of the shelves. Hey Heath, how you doing, sir? I'm gonna put lights on each one of my shelves so that they kind of stand out. Also, kind of puts a glow behind me. Okay. I've rebuilt many a person's Mac. They just like, I don't know why people think it's. I know you don't think it's Pandora's box, but some people think PCs and Macs are Pandora's box, and to rebuild them is scary. I'm like, now, as long as we make sure you backed up your data, anything you care about, as long as you back it up. Usually, the thing that doesn't get backed up is downloads directory. I don't know why people will put precious things in our downloads directory. I put precious temporary things in my downloads directory. I'm usually dropping it in downloads and I'm going to move it somewhere else, and that's a very quick thing usually. But this time, just to make sure, I did back up my downloads directory before I started. I said, just in case I forgot something, it's time to clean it up anyway. So, yeah, great stuff there. I got a lot of comments. Oh, I was on Facebook earlier, and I forgot that now I can do comments now that I'm on YouTube. Yeah. I haven't worked out all my scenes yet. I still got some work to do. Let's see. Let's try this one. I like that one. Let's do this one. Yeah. Can't redo my Mac. Sammy Superstar. Keith. Oh, just kidding. I've done it many times. I appreciate your willingness to rock. Awesome. Oh, yeah. 1,000 with things. Hey, Sammy. The best thing that Apple created was Time Machine. Yes, it was. It was good. I do like Time Machine. So yeah, so that's where I'm at. I'm rebuilding stuff here, trying to see, hey, I'm gonna start from scratch and create all new scenes in Ecamm. I'm going to try to do color branding, stay with my color scheme for my channel, and so yeah, I'm going to try that. I'm also going to find something to go here. Something needs to go there. So I gotta, yeah. The coolant in my car is low. Oh, well, that's not good. Feeling it now. Multitasking, I can really appreciate that. So, yeah. So that's what I was thinking is what I do. I don't know. I got to figure out what needs to go behind me. So, I probably should do a video tour of all the things that are on my shelves. So people like, why is that on your shelf? So, yeah. Yeah. So these are good times. Yes, let's show it. The coolant in my car is low. Feeling it now. So that's good. Yes. We've been having some really low temperatures here. So, yeah. So hopefully my coolant is sufficient in the car for the temps we're having. But they're not staying around, so it's not craziness, mind you. My Stream Deck, I haven't customized my Stream Decks at all. I've got my Stream Deck pedal I may bring into production. I have my Stream Deck Plus that I'm going to finally start using for more than just to turn the volume down. That's what I use it for. Of course, I got to reset that up right now. Everything's blank slate. So, yeah, this is going to be fun. I'm enjoying this process of rebuilding from scratch, rebirth, and I felt like I needed a change. I know. The problem is me. Probably the backgrounds and everything was not the issue. It was me all along. But, yeah. Oh, wow. Snowing in the UK. Wow. Be careful out there. So, I have a son that lives in Bristol in the UK. So, I wonder what the weather is for him today. Let's see. It is it 9:26 or 10:26? Let me go check my times. Oh, what happened to my times on my calendar? I had London, so I could keep up with the time. London, England. There we go. Yep. Okay, so 9:27 p.m. Let's see. Now I need to add Milan, the Philippines. Shoot, I've suddenly forgotten what the capital of the Philippines. I can't believe I've forgotten that. I used to knew that. Okay, Google. What's the capital of the Philippines? Mulan. Okay. Let's back up. Just type Philippines. P-H. There we go. Manila. There we go. I just can't spell. Okay, good. All right. 5:27 a.m. So here's a place I have to keep up with. So anyway. There we go. I'm ready. I'm ready for the world. It's bad in Bristol. Oh, goodness. Well, yeah, hopefully he's okay. I imagine he's fine. Yeah. So, anyway. So, it looks like stuff's working. What's your opinions about my setup so far? I know it's early. I still got some fine-tuning. I got to fix stuff on the left and right of the bookcase. I thought the bookcase was wider. I actually thought the bookcase was wide enough to cover the entire frame. I could pull the camera. Oh, wow. Yeah. That says the funnel cracked in half. Need to use the backup funnel. That's when you go buy a 2-liter bottle or a milk jug. Those are backup funnels. So, yeah. So I had to do some stuff. All right, that's interesting. Live Streaming Pros was live today, an hour ago. That was weird. They don't usually go live on Saturdays. So, all right, that's enough. I don't want to belabor this. I was hoping for some thoughts. If you guys have some thoughts on my background, what it looks like. Do I have it too much behind me? Is it too busy? I know the goal for a background is to make me look intriguing without making it so intriguing that you're more focused on what's behind me than you are on whoever's speaking. I know that's what the goal is for a background. So tell me what your thoughts are. Leave it. You can leave it in the comments if you've watched this after the fact. I'll leave this up. I deleted the last test I did. The last test was just to make sure audio was working and that everything else. So I am trying to think what I'm going to do about my mic. I think I want to change it up. I'm used to the mic coming at me from this direction instead of this direction. So I may need to move it, change it, or something. What's my reminder? I have a reminder set. Oh, I know what my reminder's about. Anyway, so life is good. Y'all stay safe out there, okay? Stay safe. If it's cold where you are, bundle up. Stay out of the elements if you can. So, all right, everybody have a great day. Bye. Bye. Thanks for watching. I'll have some outro stuff later. I don't have that now, so no themes.